Tired of the physical and mental pain of living with missing or damaged teeth? Imagine walking into the dentist's office and leaving with a brand new smile all in one day. Sound too good to be true? You might be surprised to find out that we do this for people like you every day. Introducing All-on-X same-day denture implants, sometimes called All-on-4. This innovative solution allows you to replace an entire arch of teeth using just 4 or more strategically placed implants, giving you a secure and natural-looking smile before you even leave our office. Why wait weeks for traditional implants? With All-on-X, you get the stability and confidence you need to eat, speak, and smile without hesitation, all within hours. Rediscover the joy of life with a smile that feels as good as it looks. No more discomfort or hesitation. Just the freedom to enjoy your favorite foods and share your laughter. At Shady Spring Dental Care, we prioritize your comfort and satisfaction. Our dedicated team will guide you through every step of your journey to a new smile. Ready to transform your smile in just one day? Visit Shady Spring Dental Care online or call us now. Your new smile is closer than you think.